Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry if the video lighting is a little bit weird this time, but I just got home from work a little bit ago and there was a package waiting for me, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it together. I didn't want to wait until tomorrow, but it's really exciting. So I have renewed my Young Living membership. I used to have it, but it's been a couple of years since it went inactive, and I ordered my starter kit, so I thought I would unbox it and show you guys what all comes with it. Okay, so I did cut the tape, but that's all. I haven't opened it yet. So here we go. Okay, so with the premium starter kit, which is what I ordered, there are a few different diffusers to choose from, and I got the Desert Mist diffuser. So, comes in this really nice box. And let's go ahead and open it up because I don't think I've seen one of these in person, just pictures, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, it's got this little instruction packet. It's packaged really well, so it's going to be safe while it travels. Okay, this is probably the cord. It's even taped shut right here. Ooh, look at that. Super cute. Okay, so I think if I take this off, that's how you fill it. And it has the little switches on the back. And I believe this one changes color when it's on. Or there's at least an option to change color, so I'll have to plug it in and then film that so you guys can see it. But it's super cute and stylish. Okay, and then there are two different product guides. Wow, this is really cool. Oh my goodness. This is called Essential Oils, 7 Days, 25 Ways. Essential Oils for every day of the week. It has some holiday party recipes, and it also has some essential oils for your pets stuff in there, so that is really, really cool. And then this one is the product guide for 2019, but we probably haven't come out with a new one yet or something. Oh, this is really cool though, because it has everything. It even has the Savvy minerals in there and all the prices for them. This is really cool. I want to take a look at this one more time real quick. Let's see. Okay, so for contents. The featured content is, let's see, a fruit punch recipe, how introverts can make an impact, 7 days and 25 ways to enjoy essential oils, the softer side of management, the modern man's guide to essential oils, 6 steps to being a better leader, friend, and mentor, happy homemade holidays, and essential oils for pets. This is really cool. And it says in every issue they have these sections: mind and body, DIY with essential oils, autumn scents and sensibilities, scrub away the day, global blends, and then must-have recipes, fall's best flavors, party bites, flower power, spotlight, and did you know. This is really, really cool. I don't remember it coming with this before. Okay, and then we have the oils. So it comes in this nice box. In the plastic. Got it. Okay. This box, you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but it is super high quality. It feels nice, it's really thick, Now if I can just figure out how to open it. Okay. It's like a sleeve, so it slides off. And you can see they have all these little sheets in there. And it even has like this little ribbon tab. It's magnetic. This box is like one you can keep them in. It's super nice. Look at how pretty that is. The gold's kind of hard to show up on this camera, but it's got all this little detail around it. Super cute. Okay, so let's open it up here. And that's what it comes with. That's how it looks. Look at that. Super nice. It's got this on the side. And this is a little packet, so let's see. Okay, so this is essential oils at a glance. It tells a little bit about all the oils you get, which is really nice, especially for beginners. And I'm gonna turn the camera just a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay, so here's the oils, and then there's another ribbon tab down here to pull them out. Okay, that's where the other stuff is at. So let's go through the oils real quick first. Okay, so the premium starter kit. This is peppermint vitality, lemon vitality, thieves vitality, citrus fresh vitality, DG's vitality, and then we have raven, valor, panway, lavender, and frankincense. You guys can see all those goodies right there. This case is so nice. It even has, what's this? Oh. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out why it has Velcro right here. There's a little piece of Velcro right there. Okay, let's see. I think I figured it out. Like that. Something like that. Okay, so the Velcro on the back makes it so you can, I guess, stand it up to display them a little better. So that's kind of cool. If you want to like stand them up on your counter or something. It's got this little Velcro piece on the back. Okay, so there's those. Now let's see what else is in here. Alright, so we've got this other ribbon tab. And this kit came with a couple of other roll-on caps. So we have a Stress Away oil right there. And it has a rollerball top. So you can take out the little white piece and put this rollerball in for like rubbing it on your neck or wherever else you want it. And this one is Peace and Calming. And that also comes with a rollerball. You can really use the rollerball for any of them, just they're in here with these two. And then you get a Thieves Essential Oil Spray. And a Thieves Hand Sanitizer. I'm really excited about those two. And then 2 samples of Ningxia Red, which is a, trying to think of how to describe this. They call it Essential Oil Infused Wolfberry Supplement. It's kind of like an energy shot with wolfberry in it. So, let's see. I'm super excited to use this diffuser, so I think we should set it up. And I'm going to diffuse the Citrus Fresh. That is my favorite. I love the citrusy scents. Lemon too. All the citrus ones I love so much. So I'm gonna get that one out and we're gonna go diffuse it. And we'll see what kind of colors the diffuser has on it too. Okay, you guys, so I added some cold water into here and I plugged it in. And now I'm gonna add my Citrus Fresh oil. I'm gonna do about 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to make sure this is in place. Okay, I'm gonna put the top on, and there's a little button down here to turn it on. So I'm gonna turn it on, and then for the light, there's another button. Okay, so here's the normal light. It had a low and a high setting also. This is the candle flicker. You can kind of tell on the camera, but it's like an orange glow. Let's see. That helps a little bit more. I really like that one. And then the next one, it's going to go through the rainbow, I think. Nope, that must be yep, there it goes. Okay, so then this is the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow. Trying to make it so you guys can see better. Green. Blue. And purple. That's the next one. And then if you hit the button again, you can choose between all the colors. Or you can turn it off. And I'm gonna put it on the candle because that was really pretty. So there it is. It's super pretty. I love it already. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am super excited to have my Young Living account reactivated, and I will link all my distributor information down below if you're interested in purchasing your own starter kit or some other essential oils. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're having a great day, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching!